G'day beer lovers. I have not made a video for some time, and one of my avid subscribers, Kobe Rust, I'm giving you a big shout out, Kobe. Kobe's begged me to do another video. Please VBed, do a video. He sent me 2 emails. So this is the video. Okay. About 18 months ago, I sold my commercial building to a property developer who has dreams of building a childcare centre here. And the transaction is almost completed. So the place is all fenced off now, ready to be demolished. And I've made a shitload of money, okay? Bought this place in 2005, and I've basically doubled my money. I'm using half the money to purchase another commercial property, which is a factory unit in a nearby suburb called Wangara, which I'm going to show you around. I like my new building, but this is my old place. Bought this in 2005 to set my accounting business up, and for many years I ran a natural health centre here. So it's all fenced off now, ready to be demolished. One of the first things developers have to do is bait the rats. Yeah, so when the place gets demolished, rats go everywhere. They go into neighbours' yards, they scurry everywhere, and the council doesn't want that. So what they have to do is bait the rats and kill them off before demolition day. So it's going to be sad to say goodbye to this place. Yeah, got a lot of happy memories here, but I love the new place, the new factory unit which I've purchased. Well, g'day beer lovers. Behind me is all that remains of my commercial building here in Woodvale, where I live and where I used to work for 18 years. I bought this building back in, when was it, about the year 2005, and I've just recently sold it, and man, it didn't take long to demolish it. It just took 4 days from beginning to end, and I filmed the building's demise. It was very sad, and I must admit I did shed a few tears. My only regret is that I never kept or salvaged one of the bricks from the building as a permanent souvenir that the building once existed. Okay, so I sold this building to developers who are going to build a 2-storey childcare centre on the block, and I have made some good money. So that's the consolation prize, I guess, money in the bank. And I've got big plans in regards to what I'm going to use with that money. But yeah, it's really weird coming here, looking at this big empty void. You know, I came here 1 week ago and there was a building here, and now there's no building here. It's really weird and strange.
could say that it is an optical phenomenon that only appears when the atmospheric conditions are just right. And so is the sunlight. It is also